This is how I make my easy, egg-free, one bowl, kind of sweet cornbread. So preheat your oven to 400. You're going to put in 1 cup all-purpose flour, a cup of fine yellow cornmeal, a third cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and then mix all that together really, really well. And then 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of applesauce, and then again you're going to blend that well, but don't overmix it, but blend it up nice. Stick it into that warm oven, bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then you got a beautiful, nice, golden, sweetish, little bit sweet cornbread.